Monday morning, if this is what you see on gold, let me just bring this a bit away. Okay, this is on a 1 hour now. You want to first find where the price overall. Let me just bring that also to your attention. You first want to determine overall direction, meaning what is the overall market direction. Now, the overall market direction can only be, it can either be uptrending or it can be downtrending. So the first thing you want to look for, and you want to look for it on a higher time frame. In my example, my highest time frame is 4 hours. So I'm not going to look at the daily. You can look at a daily, but I'm not going to look at the daily for the purposes of I understand my trading style. We are scalp traders. We are day traders. So we're looking for pips that moves during the day. We don't look for overall. Because when you're going to analyze on the daily, you'll see here, the daily is going to give you, it looks more bullish, right? Looks more bullish on the daily as well. But then you see this bearish candle here. If you go to the 4 hour, you check this bearish candle, and that could influence what you think what the direction is. So I just want to bring this to your attention. When you look at other higher time frames, in this example, I only look at the 4 hour and then I move down with my top down analysis. Then you look at the 1 hour, you see more bearish momentum. You look at the 30-minute, you see it's bearish there, right? You look at the 15-minute, you see currently it's bearish. You look at the 5-minute, you see it's bearish, and obviously on the 3-minute, it's downtrending. But you want to start, that's why I would say you need to start looking, for the sake of you wanting to look for entries, you have to start at a higher time frame. So look at the overall direction on the 4 hour. Now, we are currently on the 4 hour, but I normally just use the 1 hour. Because on the 1 hour, I can get a pretty good idea of what the direction is. Yes, it does look it looks a bit noisy, then, because now you have this, you have these moves, smaller moves in between, then you have a breakout, then it comes back down, then you see price moving all the way up, and then it moves strongly down. So for us day traders, we can trade the market from here to here, right? Or we can trade the market from here to here, take it sell. You can trade from here to here. That is how we trade. That's how we look for opportunities. So you can trade from here to here. You can trade from here to here, right? You can trade so, or you can trade from here to there. But first thing that you need to determine in your analysis is the overall direction of the market, and you will find the overall direction of the market on the 4 hour or on the 1 hour. Now you'll see I have this trend line tool here, but you can also use this tool. They call it the path on TradingView, because this tool, you can use this tool, or you can use the arrow to indicate what the direction is, or you can use the here's the trend line. Here's the trend line, right? Or you can use, like I said, the path. But the path, you are able to basically play with it like this. So you can use this tool in order to see what the overall direction of the market is. Now, let's look at Monday's trade. Now, the overall direction looked bullish to me, if we both agree. So the direction is not based off this one candle. Even though we have a strong bearish candle, it looks bullish to me, right? Overall, it's more in an uptrend. That's also what you determine whether we are trending upwards or whether we're trending downwards. So on the 1 hour, right? what I want you to also keep in mind in my analysis, after the first thing is to determine the overall direction. I use this tool to determine my resistance and support levels, right? So there's a resistance and here's a support level. This is now on the 1 hour. So let me just make it a different color. Now here's your support, there's your resistance. These are areas where price either came to and then rejected off, or it came all the way down. It was trending downwards and then it bounced off. So price was moving downwards, but then price shot up from this area. And you can see there's 1, there's 2, there's 3 touches. You always want your support and resistance to have at least 3 touches. So this resistance, 1, 2, you can say that, and then it broke through this